also need to make that project version. So select those, duplicate them, 4 of them duplicated. I'll move those off, select those and duplicate them, move them over here, and now I just have to put these together. Duh. Why don't I just, instead of duplicating this 4 times and duplicating this 4 times, I just need to make one whole one, and then I can duplicate that one. So now I want to move this over, shift select that, so I can do the alignment to align them that way, so the middles, so that lines it up with the whole, and then I'm using shift control to pan here. Now I need to align them that way, and now I can click that and use my arrows 1 millimeter at a time, and I want to rotate it that again, and use my arrow, shift click, select them both, group them, boom, there's one. And now I have my print version ones that were on that previous version of the project where I was printing the solar panels. And then this version got my project version.